The Intellicheck3 is the new Scully overfill prevention control unit for tank trucks and trailers. It offers compatibility with both 2-wire parallel and 5-wire series optic sensor wiring, as well as enhanced programming and diagnostics. These instructions will assist you in the initial programming for the number of compartments, as well as connecting the overfill sensors to the module. Scully provides a printed Intellicheck3 quick start guide and jumper wire with each Intellicheck3 control unit. The only additional items required to complete the programming and wiring for the module are a small regular screwdriver and multimeter. The procedure assumes that you have installed the Intellicheck3 control unit on the tank trailer and are ready to apply power to the unit. For safety reasons, the Intellicheck3 can only be programmed a certain number of times in the field. Call Scully Technical Service Department at 1-800-272-8559 for details. Prior to supplying power to the Intellicheck3 module at TB1, you need to ensure that you have the proper voltage. Using a multimeter, set the dial to DC voltage. Make sure the power wire is not in contact with the tank chassis. Turn on the power and touch the black lead of your multimeter to the black ground wire. Connect the red lead of your multimeter to your red wire. The proper DC voltage range is 11.5 to 32 volts. If the voltage is not in this range, correct the voltage before proceeding. If the voltage falls in this range, turn the power off and connect the black wire to pin 2 of TB1 ground and the red wire to pin 1 of TB1. Ensure its sensor wiring is removed. Now we will program the Intellicheck3 module. Connect one end of the purple wire to the position marked diag. Then connect the other end of the purple wire and the one end of the black wire to position marked ground. Finally, connect the other end of the black wire to the appropriate compartment number in TB4. In this example, we are programming 4 compartments and will connect to position 4. Now apply power to the Intellicheck3. The indicator lights representing the configured sensors will be flashing, alternating between red and green. The highest configured sensor will flash at twice the speed of the other configured sensors. Remaining sensor indicators will be off. The Dynacheck, aux-in, permit, and load rack indicator lights will be on. Leave the unit powered up for approximately 10 seconds. Then remove power from the Intellicheck3 and remove the programming jumper. We will now connect the sensor wiring to TB4, according to the 5-wire series sensor wiring diagram found in the Quick Start Guide or in the manual. When using the Scully supplied color-coded cable, first connect the yellow wire to the pulse terminal. Next, you will connect your diagnostic line, the green wire, to diag terminal. The red wire is connected to the power terminal. The black wire is connected to the ground. Finally, the orange return pulse line will be connected to the TB4 number overfill sensor terminal 1. The control unit will automatically detect the number of sensors connected and program for that number. In this case, it will be programmed for 4 sensors. Now apply power to the Intellicheck3. If there are no faults, the correct number of green sensor indicator lights will be on. In this case, numbers 1 through 4. The remaining sensor indicators will be off. The Dynacheck indicator light will be flashing. Permit, aux-in, and power indicator lights will be green. The load rack indicator will be red. If the sensor indicator lights are not green, check the diagnostic lights and the technical manual for troubleshooting tips.